Hey everyone, here's our math problem for today. We have here 3 unit circles and an elastic band that is used to wrap around the circles. We would like to find the length of the blue elastic band, knowing that the radius of each of these 3 circles is 1 unit. Let's pause the video and see if you can solve this beautiful, elegant geometry problem. Now let's solve this problem together. Let's begin to note that this blue elastic band is tangent to the circles. From the center of the top circle, let's draw a radius that intersects the elastic band at the point of tangency with the circle. The radius is 1 unit, and there's a theorem that says that that radius is perpendicular to the tangent line at the point of tangency. So we have here a right angle. Let's do the same thing with the lower left circle. We draw this radius and we know that the angle here is a right angle. When you connect the 2 centers of these 2 circles that are tangent externally, there's also a theorem that says that the 2 centers and the point of tangency are all collinear, and so we form this straight line. And it intersects at the point of tangency. Again, the radius here is 1 unit and another 1 unit here, and we have a rectangle. For a rectangle, the opposite sides are congruent. If the length of this one side of the rectangle is 1 plus 1 or 2 units, then the length of its opposite side must also be 2 units. So we now know the length of this part of this elastic band. Then, let's do the same thing at the other side of this figure. We also construct this rectangle, and using the same reasoning, the length of this part of the elastic band is also 2 units. And do the same thing for the lower part of this figure. The length of this part of the band is also 2 units. The only remaining parts of the elastic band that we do not know the length of yet are the curved ones, and there are 3 of those. So we have this curved part here, we have another one here, and we have another one here. We would like to find what are the lengths of these 3 remaining curves. So let's isolate them. Notice that these 3 curves together will form a complete circle. And so the sum of the 3 curves is basically the circumference of the circle. And since the radius of the circle is 1 unit, we can now compute that the sum of these 3 curves is equal to the circumference, which is 2 pi times 1 or 2 pi. So together, we can now add these two, these two, these two, and the sum of the 3 curves, which is 2 pi, to find the total length of the blue elastic band. And so 2 plus 2 plus 2 is equal to 6, and copy 2 pi. 6 plus 2 pi is approximately 12.28, and this is now our final answer. The length of the blue elastic band around these 3 unit circles is approximately 12.28 units, or exactly 6 plus 2 pi units. And that is where the math is. Thank you very much, and we hope to see you again in our next video. Bye for now.